Hi, this is Greg Michael. In today's video, I'm going to teach you in 5 minutes how to play Take On Me by a-ha. The chord progression goes like that. A minor, D major, G major, C to D over C, and basically that's the last chord. I need to stop there for a second. It goes like that. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So you kind of go from C to that shape where you grab that fifth string with your second finger instead of the third finger. Then you also collapse your finger slightly to dampen the string number 4. So you go. And after that, you do exactly the same thing. A minor to D major to G major to C over this B, followed by different chord progression. A minor, D major, E minor, C major. And that takes you to a chorus that goes like that. G, B minor, E minor, E minor again, G, B minor, E minor, and C major, G major, B7, E minor, C major, G major, D major, C major, and D major. And then back to verse and back to chorus. There's middle 8, but we are not doing that because if you play and sing by yourself, you probably won't do it anyway. And I guess then it's another verse or chorus, whatever. You know, you just need to look up the structure properly by yourself. Okay, so I'm going to teach you now the intro to this song that goes like this. So what it is this. 2 times on the first string with this shape here. So you go 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then still with this finger you go. So it's 3 on the second, 2, 2, 3, 5. So that's the first kind of item to practice. Second is, and the final third one goes like that. Very similar rhythm to the first one, but you do 3 times here on the first string. So it's 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, followed by 1, 2. And then the remaining part of the melody is on the B string. Slowly. One more time. Okay. Be careful not to do this. Instead of that, do. Check this out one more time. Here's what you can do as a mess up. 1, 2. Sometimes you can play 3 notes on the E string, which you shouldn't be doing. It's 2. That's what I've been doing wrong before. Okay, so this is it. This is my quick lesson on how to play Take On Me by a-ha. The lesson is kind of shorter than I normally do because I'm trying to experiment with slightly shorter lessons. Let me know if you like that format, and I appreciate any feedback. Listen, if you enjoyed this lesson, if you dig it, if it helped you, consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up because it will help me a lot. And hopefully I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.